Testing out my Sony 4K camcorder at the FDR-AX33. We're down here in Clearwater, Florida. The sun's just getting ready to go down. There's Clearwater Beach over there. Watch us zoom. It's got a really good zoom. When it zooms too close, it flutters though. There's over 500 feet away. I like it. Look at that. Look how close it is. It's gonna flutter. Down here, the marina, the boats. Look at those clouds. The sun just going down. It's a beautiful night. I like the camcorder. It's working real good. It puts out some good videos on YouTube.